Hey there, songwriters. Today we're going to be talking about bridges. Have you ever been listening to a song and then it suddenly takes a left turn? The lyrics feel different, the melody feels different, and then all of a sudden, bam, you're right back at the chorus, but now the chorus, even though it's the same as it was before, feels different. Well, that magical moment is called the bridge, and today we're going to talk about why it works. Before we get to bridges, let's do a quick review of verses and choruses so we can tell how a bridge is different. The verse of a song is what tells the story. The melody and the rhythm are the same every time you hear verses, but the lyrics are different. And those different lyrics move the story forward as the song moves forward. Meanwhile, a chorus is the hook of the song, the main idea, and the chorus repeats multiple times, sometimes 3, 4, or 5 times within the same song. The part that sticks in your head long after the song is over, that's the chorus. Now the bridge is unique. It usually happens about 2/3 of the way in the song, and it's new lyrics, new chords sometimes, a new melody. It's a section that's unique and usually only happens once. Think of the bridge as a plot twist. It shifts the perspective, or it raises the intensity, or it gives the listener a surprise just before the last chorus. To get a feel for bridges, I'm going to take a few songs and I'm going to play a little bit of a verse, a little bit of a chorus, and a little bit of a bridge. These are great examples of songs that utilize a bridge to build intensity before the song ends.
Here's the thing, we started out friends. It was cool, but it was all pretend. Yeah. Since you've been gone. But since you've been gone, I can't breathe for the first time. I'm so moving on, yeah. Thanks to you, now I get what I want. You had to change the fluid, out of sight, out of mind. Shut your mouth, I just can't take it. Again and again and again and again.
I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green. Yeah, the magician's assistant in their dream. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. I just wanna know if you're gonna stay. I just gotta know. I can't have it any other way, I swear.
Bridges are a fantastic tool for storytelling. Experiment with putting them into your songs. Use them to surprise your listener or reframe the chorus in a new way. If you want to practice, head to musicalwonders.org for our free resources and handouts for practicing writing bridges in your own songs. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. You can also visit our Substack at musicalwonders.org for a lot more creative music making resources for classrooms, and the best part, it's all free. Now go and write some bridges.